Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's start with today's new topic. Today's topic is counting frequencies of array elements. Okay, so let's see what the problem statement says. It says, given an array which may contain duplicates, print all the elements and their frequencies. Okay, so it's pretty simple to understand. Like you have given an array, and in that array you will be having duplicates element, and you just have to count how many duplicates element or what is the frequency of that element. Okay, so like if you can see the example, the frequency of 10 is 3 as if you count all the tens in this array, it will be 1, 2, and 3. So frequency of 10 is 3. Same for 20. Frequency of 20 is 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for 5, it's 1 only because we have only one 5 with us. Same for the second example also, like frequency of 10 is 1 and frequency of 20 is 2. Okay. Moving forward, let's see the code in Python. Okay, I'm going to code this in Python, and this will be very easy code, and we are going to use dictionary data structure. Okay, so let's see. Yeah. So yeah. So we have used the same example. Okay, to demonstrate. So let's use the same example. Okay. So I have a main function in Python. Okay. So I'll call it from here. Okay. For that we have to define one function. Okay, where we will pass this array and get the dictionary, or you can say get the frequencies. Okay, so we for that we'll create an empty dictionary first. Okay, now what we will do, we will see, we will iterate through each element in the array. Okay, we'll pick one element. We will see that if that element is present in the dictionary or not. If it is present, then we will increase the frequency of that element. Okay, and if it is not present, then we will insert it and we will give a value, or you can say a frequency of 1 to it. Okay, so let's take step by step. So for element in nums. Okay, so this is a for loop which will iterate through each element in nums. Okay, now we will see if that element in dictionary, if that element present in dictionary, let's suppose if it is present. Okay, so what we will do, we will just say the value of that element. Okay, so we store data in dictionary in key value pair. Okay, where key will be in this example, where key will be your element, that unique element, and value will be the frequency. Okay, so so now I'll increase the value. So we'll say value of that particular element is equals to value of that. Yeah, so it will be like I'm increasing the value of that particular element with by one. Okay, because we found one. Else else is the case where you encountered with that element first time. Okay, then you have to just store that. Okay, and make that frequency one, because that is the first time it comes to your dictionary. Okay, at the end we will just print it out. Okay, there is a simple way to print dictionary. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I have to call it nums. So if you can see, we got our frequency like 10 is 3 times, 20 is 4 times, and 5 is 1 times. Okay, so we are able to print it, but the format is not correct. It is not correct in sense we don't want in this format. We want key and value, means the element and their frequency. So for that, what I will do, I'll run a for loop on the dictionary, and I'll print the each value with their key and value. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now you can see that we have a good view. The output is the correct view. So 10 is 3 times, 20 is 4 times, and 5 is 1 times. Okay, so this is a pretty easy problem. Uh, so still, if you have any issues or any problem in understanding any line, do ping in the comment section. I'll provide a link for understanding the how dictionary works. Okay, so please go through that link once. Okay, thank you.